folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I gotta sort back because I'm standing up. I'm cleaning my bench because I gotta make another video showing you this crap. So I'm cleaning my bench. And I bought this years ago. I made a smoker, so I bought a pneumatic one. But it was weird because I couldn't figure out where the tips were. I lost the tips. But thankfully the tips on these ones fit. So Mastercraft and Ultra Pro. I'm gonna put these back. These belong. The funny part about that purchase was it was an extremely expensive purchase for one tiny little project that I did. I think I made a smoker with it, and I was playing with stainless steel. But that was, I think, the first or second smoker I made. Why? I don't know. All right, drill bits. Got drill bits. I buy these at Mastercraft. Canadian Tire. Every time they go on sale, I buy a couple of them. Why? Because they used to be $29 a pack. Now they're $100 normal. Like they used to be on sale for $29, sometimes like $25, and the regular price was like $39.99. Now they're, I think, $100 on sale for $49. I think I got them on liquidation. I think for $20 so I bought two of them. And if you have one of those Huot or HU, I don't know, the little drill bit index boxes, you can put them all in there. And like me, after you buy so many drill bits, you'll run out of space. And I got plenty of these favorite things. These I was using. We were fixing my nephew's. He has a little pickup truck, a little red one, a little small. I don't know if it's a Chevy or I don't know what it is. But his back window, the hinge was busted and it wasn't locking. So I told him, he's like, "Oh, I'll just buy a new one." I'm like, "Look, before you buy a new one, we'll take it apart. I'll re-straighten the frame around it and just jerry rig it." So I told him, buy a piano hinge. We'll see if it works. Guess what? It worked. I think we spent $10 on rivets because the rivets are too short, and we picked up he bought a piano hinge for $7, and if you have the tools, do it. So yeah, before you blow money trying to what do you call it? Just buy a new one. Spend the time and try to fix the old one, and if you destroy it in the process, you still have to buy a new anyway, right? Because sometimes you may just surprise yourself. You're like, "Holy crap! I actually fixed it." It's not very often though. Most times the item is completely unfixable. Yeah. Now where do I put these? Over there. I honestly kind of don't care where shit goes anymore. There's my body hammer. I was using this body hammer, which is a Rooney. Using this to straighten out the aluminum frame on his truck. So I gotta put this in over there. This goes in the vice grip thing over here. I'm not even like sure where to put stuff anymore because I won't even be here anymore. So it's just like, well, do I just leave a bigger mess? Come on, I gotta open this up a little here so it stays. I'm excited though. All right, this can go in the drawer over there. Some pointy thingamajiggies. One of these things. What else goes in that drawer? That goes in the bottom. That's sharp as heck. I did a video on this thing. It's, what do you call it? Another riveter. Rosie the riveter. I use this to cut some stuff. These are a cheap pair of, what are they? Wesnip. I think I got those free in a box. Wesnip. I have a problem with that drawer over there. It's an old Craftsman box, and there's so many hammers in it. No, there's not as many as Arco's, but there's about 20 hammers in it, like mostly big ones, sledgehammers. And I keep losing these. But there's mostly big ones in there, and it's so heavy the drawer just doesn't open and close. I put these under my bench. There's a 3-foot cheapo metal bender I bought about 15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago, and it's bolted to the top of the angle iron that's on my bench, and I climbed down. There's a little ledge I put on there. That's just what I do. I did a video on these ones, Stanley blocking pliers. I like these. I like the color. The problem with colored blocking pliers is they don't stay that color very often. The color just kind of just wipes right off it. So you gotta, like, you know, use it for pretty things. You know, it keeps stuff pretty. Yeah, maybe. On a complete other note, if you buy regular pliers, you don't have to keep things pretty. But I got like power tool. These are my these are older because the newer ones, I think they went the red ones. They're Chicago Pneumatic CP tools. They switched them to red ones. So here's my pickety pickies. I don't know where I put those. That goes in that place. Yeah, what do we got here? Shop dollies. I've used these before. I learned how to use those. I think my father showed me how to use them. I don't remember when or where, but I don't remember what I used them for. This can go over there. This can go over there. But there's a video about these. These are 2-inch roll lock discs. They're like $17 on Amazon. You want to burn through these instead of paying $2 each from 3M. They're just as good. One of the things I love is crescent wrenches. Like, how could you not have an affliction for these things? They probably made 17 million versions of it that we all don't need, of course. What else? Got a giant screwdriver, which I should probably leave in the drawer below. A lot of the screwdrivers I use most, I leave in the drawer below. So yeah, I got, see, the most common flat ones. I put them down here. Let's see. Along with my, what do you call it, scriber. It's magnetic, it holds on to stuff. Yeah, if you can see it. Actually, you can see it like this. This is my start punch. I paid like $3 for it. Actually pretty good. For a slightly expensive punch, it was pretty good. If you don't already know, I have several hundred of these. Not these particular, but vice grips. Wait, these are Irwin. These are Irwin vice grips. Irwin. If you don't own locking pliers, you really need to get us some because they're awesome. What's my goal? To die with the most locking pliers. I think I'm about halfway there. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, there we go. I was wondering where my charger went. My nephew borrowed it. I lent my nephew I lent tools out. Don't do that unless you know who you're lending it to. I lent it to him, and I'm like, where did my other? I'm like, I don't have a drill with a chuck. I think I killed it. Sure enough, duh. I bought another one thinking I didn't have one, and well, it's at my house now, so now I have two of them. Alrighty, this sucker. What is this? This is who makes this? Maximum. I bought this because I needed a bigger bar for the tractor. I think I took the wheels off with this. I may have, I may have stressed out see the little peeling of the chrome? I may have stressed out this Craftsman bit just a wee bit. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. So where does everything go? Over there. At least today, that's where everything is going. I got a few things on this bench that need to go somewhere. Like pens. These are. I honestly think maybe they're made by the same company, but these Milwaukee ones work better. I don't know about you guys, but on that note, Red Team wins. Here's another good tool. Get on Amazon. It's a little deburring tool. They give you a bunch of tips. Use this many times. Plastic, wood, metal. Looks great. I keep it in my drawer that needs to be cleaned down there section. What else do we got here? All right, put that on there. This is the rear bolt for the ATV, which will probably get lost in the shuffle. I know that for a fact. What else? A USB to USB-C charger. What is this for? I totally don't remember. Now, oh wait, there's a, what is this for? Center punch. There's that. There's a dead battery. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So anyway, my bench is almost clean. It's not really clean, no. It's getting there though. See a little snap on. Maybe you can see that. Blue point, snap on. Little tiny, tiny mini. Don't worry. I didn't buy it. Somebody gave it to me. I don't buy snap on crap. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Willis? That's for the trailer. I don't know if I still need these. Probably not. Throwing stuff out. Vice grips. Gotta put a pair on here. I have a little angle iron in the bottom where I just clamped them all on. If you haven't seen some of my photos, there's about 30 pairs under there. There is every kind of vice grip you can possibly want under there. Well, not every, because then the bench would be 40 feet long. So let's not. These I gotta put away. I buy extra of these things for the handles because I think plastic is shit, and the plastic ones you can't tap them because they explode. And I got some really nice wood ones. The other good thing about the wood ones is when the handle breaks, you take it off, you keep the little metal piece, drill a hole in it, put the little metal thing over the edge, and then you just make a new handle. Unless you got a 3D printer and a shitload of filament, there's trees in my backyard. I can make them for the next 100 years. That's why I laugh about this whole save the planet crap. Save the planet, save the planet. If we were saving the planet, wouldn't we make stuff out of more planetary, like, delicious materials, like natural? Stop making shit out of plastic. And then stop telling me I should use I can't get a plastic bag, put everything in the grocery store in a plastic bag, and then trying to sell me a recycled plastic bag. Like, are you trying to get rid of them? I don't know. Here's my oil cans. I made a video of these, so stay tuned. There'll be a video. Where are these going? They're going to the corner over there in aisle 7. In case you're wondering, I don't own 900 oil cans. I own about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 15 of them. Plus, I got a new one coming. Let's put this to where. Let's put it over there. I actually need to buy a new toolbox because I have a whole drawer full of crescent wrenches because, you know, we all need like 50 of them. And I got no more place to put crescent wrenches. So I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to clean off the dust on here. And I think that's screws. Clean off the crap on here. What is this? Let's see. Put all that down there. And we're going to do another video of me reviewing junk that I bought. So stay tuned and hope you enjoyed this video. Toodles.